Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White. We've got the DRLs going on. Let's get the pathway lighting on. So I've just pressed and held the panic button for 1 second on the key. That looks sweet. Iconic glow, DRL's on, low beams on, welcome light carpet on. So let me just do this introductory lap, and we can then go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So let's do it. We got the classic Alpine White here on the 2026 X3 M50. You see the beautiful lines coming down, two in the center, BMW Rondell up front. I'm excited to see what the new BMW badge looks like. I think they get rid of the silver and they made this part matte, I think the black part. We'll see it on the iX3 next year once it gets here. And of course we have the illuminating kidney grille with the horizontal slats, with the camera up front, with the M badging on the driver's side. That looks sweet. And we've got the M Sport design. Got the little split chin down here at the bottom. There's also some active shutters at the lower part of the kidney grille and at the lower grille area as well. And we have some functional air ducts into the wheel wells. So that is great. Now if we take a closer look at these headlights, these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. I love all these little designs and patterns in here. And with the low beams on, you've got those stacked LEDs. So from a headlight perspective, I think these look really nice. And if you've seen these in your rearview mirror, it looks amazing. And also, when I come to this angle, I like that you can kind of see the kidney grille is raked in, but the exterior kind of comes out, so it gives a really cool sporty effect from this angle. Now, if we come over to the side here, you'll see that we have the 21-inch double spoke 1037M wheels in matte black, so that is pretty sweet, or they call it frozen black on this wheel. And we have the red M Sport brake back there, so this wheel setup looks really awesome. And we've got some Goodyears on there. The Canadian market has the M badging on the fender, and it is brushed aluminum style. And I'm just gonna get the M welcome light carpet back on here. A little bit hard to see in this lighting, but it is definitely there. And we have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Glass roof up top, black roof rails, black window surrounds. Side profile looks great. And flush integrated door handles, touch comfort access on the fronts. Hofmeister kink over here. There's your rear 1037M wheel. And up top, we have the new style antenna, spoiler, rear wiper arm. The taillights have the X shape, but it's really a L shape and an inverted L shape stacked. And with the crisscross patterns on the side, BMW is lit up here as well. And in the back, we have the vertical reflectors on each side. We also have the quad exhaust tips down here at the bottom. This one does have the tow hitch. And we also have some lighting down here in the license plate area. There's your rear camera. It looks like there's a little washer nozzle on your rear camera as well. So if you have the tow hitch, there's no kick, so don't try it, you're gonna hurt your shin. So we're gonna press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a micro switch underneath here that we could have pressed. And back here we have your cargo cover, so this can hide your contents. There's a button on each side that can be pressed that allows you to release the cargo cover so it can be completely removed. And once that comes out, underneath here there's a space where it can be stored in this section right here. And to put it back in, you just move it towards the front of the vehicle until you don't see orange exposed on either side. If I lift this up a bit more, there's a little coat hanger, or sorry, grocery bag hanger that you can put down to prop that up with. This is a tire inflator kit plus, carpeted mats, wheel lock key tow hook, so everything is where it should be. And bring that back down, there's a little string you can pull to close that. We also have a 12-volt plug here, grocery bag hanger, little netted area with some illumination on this side. So up top, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. I'm pressing close now. Perfect. See a bit more of that Welcome Light carpet on the floor here. Passenger side, fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system, so if I press on 9 o'clock, door opens. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M, recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click to shut it. If I open up that rear door, you'll see inside we have the black Veganza interior. I'm just gonna undo these seat belts. So we have the new color door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, gloss window control button, pockets down here. And if we take a look at these seats back here, looks good. On the shoulder, release lever to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrests in the center with some cup holders. Up here, there's a button you can press for the center pass-through. The button is just right here. And up top, they've got some reading lights, handles, coat hanger. And on the back of each front seat, we have an accessory port. We have some pockets. There's your mats down there with some illumination. We have some vents over here, a little storage area, and 2 USB Type-C charging ports. So now that we've had a chance to look in here, let's shut this door. We'll open up the front passenger door next. So once that opens up, you'll see that we've got high gloss black here for 26, high gloss black window switch. This is now silver instead of, I guess it was black before. And we've got your vent controls, unlock lock. X3 is in a white outline. And we have aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, and manual headrest adjustment as well. We also have some vents, soft touch materials, stitching, crisscross patterns all in the vents up here. There's a button down here you can press that opens the illuminated glove box, and the glove box itself can be locked. We have iDrive operating system 9 on the curved display here, and we also have some more vents down here, max front defrost, rear defrost, 4-way flashers. We have your wireless charger, cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We have the glass iDrive controller. We have the volume wheel, gear selector, 12-volt plug in the center console. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so let's go to the driver door. Once that's open, you'll see that we have the same kind of unlock, lock, vent controls, memory seats on the driver's side, door pull. This makes it so that only the driver controls the windows. All 4 windows are one touch up and down. Side mirror controls, tailgate release, pockets down here. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And we have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display, and you got your exterior lighting controls on the signal stock now. And if I just take a quick jump into the car, press driving settings, so you'll see we have, this is active cruise control with stop and go, and yep, parking, automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. We also have some trailer things, trailer operating tips, trailer mode, so that is pretty sweet. And up top, we have the interior camera. We also have the glass roof. We have the rear view mirror with the garage door buttons underneath. If I open this up, you'll see that we have the mirror with the light. This can also come out. It can also extend. So that is all awesome. And X3 gets digital key plus, so you can make your phone into a key for the car, and it operates just like the real key, so that's pretty awesome. So now that we've had a good chance to look inside here, Let's get back out. Down here we've got your pedals. It's not visible, but underneath here is your hood release. So it's 1, 2 pulls. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. We have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We've got these strut bars going across, positive battery terminal over here, negative battery terminal down here, washer fluid over there. What an absolute beast. And BMWs have 2 latches into the hood, one here, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. I like to put my fingers on the rondelle and from about halfway, literally just send her down. Beautiful. All right, so we'll do one more lap all the way around the car. I do really like the G45 X3, and I think many of you are coming on board and liking it too. So in 2026, you saw that we had the little update with some of the interior materials and colors. The car also comes with the tire inflator kit plus. Tow hitch can tow about 4,860 pounds. Car only comes with 1 physical key now. The rest are digital keys, so the digital key can be shared with up to 10 other users with restrictions to speed limit and sound limit for radio. So interesting, some of the changes. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with the black interior. And yeah, this car has a lot of great options on it. I like the 21s on there. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.